Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today I'm really excited to share with you a new vehicle for sale. This is our 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS 580 4MATIC SUV. This is an all-electric vehicle, brand new from Mercedes-Benz. Comes in a white exterior, and we've got a gray interior. This thing is loaded with features. One of my personal favorites is the retractable door handles. I'm a big fan of those. We do have heated and ventilated seats, as well as memory powered seats here. We've got the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Really high quality audio. Get this really nice gray interior. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Sunroof. And let's go ahead and hop inside. A quick look at our steering wheel here. We do have a push button ignition. And huge touchscreen display here. You can see the ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle as well, all fully customizable. Definitely a really fun electric vehicle. You really do feel like you are in a spaceship. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the features here on our display. So you can easily access your navigation here very easily. Of course, it also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in case you'd like to use that. Radio functions all here on the touchscreen, so you can easily access that. Of course, Bluetooth and USB connections as well. We've got our climate menu here. Tons of options that we won't go through here today, but if you're interested, absolutely just reach out to us. We'd love to walk you through these in person. And backup camera as well. And you've got seat connects here for massaging seats. And fully customizable ambient lighting, all kinds of options here to choose from. Below your display, you've got wireless charging pad for a cell phone, cup holders, USB connections. You've got buttons here for your ignition, as well as adjusting different, dynamic sport modes and whatnot. Center console storage, more USB connections. Let's go ahead and hop out and take a look at the rest of the vehicle. So heated seats in the rear as well. Again, those Burmester sound system, upgraded speakers throughout. Sunroof stretches to the rear seats also. You've got rear climate control. There's another quick peek up front. And we'll come around to the back. So around back, we've got our EQS 580. Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Got some new all-weather mats in here already for you. And push button to close. Now if you're interested in additional information about this 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS 580 4MATIC SUV, just reach out to us on our website. Happy to walk you through any of the features or set up a test drive. You can reach us at feldmanimports.com.